Welcome to the breathtaking Tumpak Sewu Waterfall, one of Indonesia's most beautiful natural wonders. If you're a photography enthusiast, this guide will show you the best spots to capture stunning shots of this majestic waterfall. So grab your camera and let's explore. Our first stop is the panoramic viewpoint at the top. Before heading down, take a moment to enjoy this spectacular bird's-eye view of Tumpak Sewu's cascading waters. The best time to shoot here is early in the morning when the golden sunrise light illuminates the waterfall, creating a mystical atmosphere. As you descend towards the base, you'll find several great vantage points along the trail. These spots allow you to frame the waterfall with the surrounding cliffs and greenery, creating unique compositions. A wide-angle lens will help you capture the full grandeur of the landscape. Reaching the base of Tumpak Sewu is challenging but rewarding. From here, you can shoot from a low angle to emphasize the height and power of the falls. Use a tripod and a long exposure setting to achieve a silky, dreamlike effect on the cascading water. Next, we head to Tebing Nirvana, or Nirvana Cliff, a breathtaking vantage point near Tumpak Sewu. With towering cliffs and mist rising in the early morning, this spot offers an ethereal scene. A wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing full grandeur from this perspective. Flowing from the base of the falls, the Tumpak Sewu River is another fantastic location for photography. The river's smooth rocks and rushing water create a dynamic foreground, adding depth to your images. Try using a neutral density filter for stunning long exposure effects. Nearby, you'll find Telaga Biru, or the Blue Lagoon. This peaceful turquoise pool offers a perfect contrast to the powerful waterfall. The best time to visit is midday when the sunlight enhances the vibrant blue hue of the water. It's a great spot for capturing tranquil reflections. A short trek from Telaga Biru leads to Goaetes cave, a hidden gem filled with small waterfalls and mossy rocks. Natural light filtering through the cave openings adds a dramatic effect, making it a dream location for unique and magical photos. Before you go, here are some quick photography tips for Tumpak Sewu. Visit during golden hours for the best lighting conditions. Use a tripod and ND filter for long exposure shots. Protect your gear from mist and water splashes. If permitted, consider using a drone for incredible aerial perspectives. Tumpak Sewu Waterfall is a paradise for photographers. offering endless creative opportunities. Plan your visit wisely and you'll capture unforgettable shots of this natural wonder. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more travel and photography guides. See you in the next adventure.